To delay the first campaign message in AWeber, you'll typically use the wait action within the campaign editor. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Log into your AWeber account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the campaigns section. This is where you can create and manage your email campaigns. If you're creating a new campaign, click on the Create a Campaign button. If you're editing an existing campaign, find the campaign you want to edit and click on it to open the editor. In the campaign editor, you'll see a canvas where you can design your campaign flow. Drag the first message onto the canvas if it's not already there. Below or next to the first message, you should see options to add actions or steps. Look for the wait or delay action and drag it onto the canvas before the first message. Once you've added the delay action, you'll need to specify how long you want to wait before sending the first message. This could be in hours, days, or minutes, depending on your preference and the nature of your campaign. Click on the delay action to set the time. Depending on your campaign strategy, you may need to adjust other settings such as triggers, conditions, or additional actions after the delay. Once you're satisfied with your campaign setup, save your changes and activate the campaign. This will set it live and begin sending messages according to the specified schedule. By following these steps, you should be able to delay the first campaign message in AWeber according to your preferences. You can use the link in the description to try AWeber for free.